Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Land Rover Discovery key fob. First, you'll need to access the emergency key. Look for a small, often black, button on the side of your fob. Press this button down firmly, and you will feel the metal emergency key blade release. Gently pull this blade completely out of its housing. This key is essential for the next step in opening the fob. Now that you have the emergency key, you can use it to open the main fob casing. Look closely along the edge of the fob for a small slot or indentation. Insert the tip of your emergency key blade, or a small flathead screwdriver if you prefer, into this opening. With a gentle but firm twisting motion, you should hear and feel the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Continue prying carefully until the casing is fully open. With the key fob now open, you will see the small, circular battery nestled inside. This is usually a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using a small, non-metallic tool, like a plastic pry tool, or even your fingernail, gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage any internal components during this step. It's time to install your new battery. Take a fresh CR2032 3-volt battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Next, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks and locks, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.